on a boat, on a dock, at a lake, in the middle of the desert. That's what it looks like. This is Lake Meade, right here. You can see the line right here. That's probably like 150, 200 feet of water that has receded. There's a marina back here, so you could rent a boat if you wanted to. You could rent kayaks. The water itself is pretty clear. There's ducks. That's not a duck. But it's a pretty cool lake. We are at Hoover Dam. You can see behind me. All the way over there. It's kind of covered by that bridge thing, but we're gonna go check it out. And it's 109 degrees, so it's really hot outside. And everything's very hot to touch. It's dry though, so we're not sweating. So that's nice. It's gonna make it very, very clear stuff. Sunny, hot, but cool. I think the sheer size of everything is what's getting me the most. Is how big everything literally is. So we're gonna go look at the tours to see what we can find on the tours. Size is like the biggest thing I'm having trouble wrapping my head around. It's just immense is like the only way I can describe it.